Perfect. So I don't know why they didn't put this in the manual or something, so I just found this out. I just discovered this out. Hey guys, how's it going? Frey here from Tools and Gadgets. So today guys, I'm gonna be explaining to you all the important steps that I think none of you could really find a tutorial for this Evenflo 360 Revolve. So don't skip on this video, because I will be teaching you how to remove this. So right now I have returned everything on stock. So from the moment I got it out of the packaging, so this is what it looks like. So the crotch buckle here is really small. It has a really small space here for the baby to sit on. So I'm going to be teaching you how to adjust this and remove this and extend this back plate when you extend this. So I'll be teaching you how to extend this as well. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So first off, what you want to do is that we're going to be removing this. If your baby outgrows the this head protector here, the first thing we're going to do is remove this. So in order to remove this, let's go ahead and extend this all the way up, and then we're going to remove this two latches here. So we're going to be exposing this on the back, and then here you can see there is a Velcro here. We're just going to be stripping the two off, and the headrest will be removed that easily. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this back again, install the latch again. So okay, so we removed the headrest. Now your baby outgrew this part here, the crotch buckle, and it's too tight for him. So what you want to do is that, hold on, so you can see there's an opening right here, which you could just slide this out and slide it in here. You get my point? So if the baby outgrew it again, so what you want to do is that you're just going to be taking this whole thing out. Alright, so you're just going to be taking the whole thing out, and then it will leave you with this. So you have another seat pad here. So the same thing. Hold on, where's my flashlight? Alright, so the same thing here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, let's go ahead and extend it all the way to the max. So it's just gonna be transferring it to the outermost hole there, so that your baby has a bigger space here. So that is how you adjust the crotch buckle. So when your baby outgrew this. Okay guys, so for those of you asking how do I move the crotch buckle, so this is how you do it guys. First off, if it is already here at the max, let me show you. So there's a holes here, so you're already here at the max and it's still tight for your baby. So yeah, let's go ahead and adjust that. What you want to do is remove this, the cup holders, and then we'll be exposing this. Hold on, let me get my flashlight so that you could properly see. So in here at the bottom, guys, you could see that it is here at the last. It's placed here at the last. So what we want to do is we're gonna slide it here all the way here. So in order to slide that, let's go ahead and adjust it. I'm just gonna be sliding. Sorry guys, it's really hard if you're using one hand only, but let's slide this one out first. Okay, so I managed to slide it out from the padding. So yeah, so that it would be much easier. I'm just gonna be doing the side one. All right, there you go. So it's now more free compared to the other one. Then yeah, let's go ahead and slide it back in the padding. So once again guys, it's located here at the back. That's why it's really tight for the baby. So I just slid it like this, like so. I don't know why they didn't teach this in the tutorials. There you go, and just slide it again. Perfect. So I don't know why they didn't put this in the manual or something. So I just found this out. I just discovered this out. So yeah, let's go ahead and slide this back in the padding. It's already out now in the padding. So you have the baby have a bit of bigger space here already, so that it won't be like too tight for them. So yeah, after that, we're just gonna be sticking the cup holders back. Another question we have is, how do you adjust this one? Okay, so the way this works is that you have the belt here. So you'll be pressing, you could feel this, you could press something here, and after that, while pressing that, just pull this too. So just make sure to level the two, and then if that's still tight for your baby, here's the trick guys. You just pull this thing up and voila, the buckle is much longer now compared to the one that this was still on its original place. So it's much tighter, so the buckle will be restrained here. So when you pull this up, it will expose more buckle so that your baby won't feel more restrained. And after that, as you notice, when this goes up, you need to adjust this one. So it's just hiding behind the back right there. So there, you'll be needing that because at this portion, if you don't extend that, your baby will feel like a opening here at the back, and it really hurts for them. It will hurt them. So yeah, so just make sure to extend that as well, so you have a bigger crotch opening here for your baby. Once again, if he outgrows the last pad, or she, all you need to do is you'll no longer need to use this and just use the regular seat belt. Okay, so when you pull this up, it will tighten this two belts here. So same as any regular stroller. And we also have a question in regards to the cup holder. How do you take it out? So you just twist it to your left and pull. So the other one, still the same. Twist it to your left and pull, and to attach it is you need to feel like a click or something, and twist it to your right. So okay, so once again guys, if your baby outgrew the last pad, then that's the time when you'll be using the seat belt already for your baby. And also we have a question, this top here, it has a lot of play, so yeah, it doesn't matter if it has a lot of play as long as the base is secured, the latch is properly latched here at the bottom, and the one that goes at the back, this one. Okay, so if you have any more comments or questions, just comment down below and let's see if I could answer that on the next video. And see you again next vlog, guys. Bye.